All right. So, good morning. I hope everyone is doing great, and I hope everyone had a great week last week. And I'm hoping you guys had a great trading week last week. So, yeah. All right. So, I made a video last week, Friday, and I actually forgot to upload it. Something came up once I finished recording the videos, and I wasn't able to post a video. So I'm just going to go back to what I actually did in that video and give you my focus from now on going. So yeah, so whatever I did in the video, whatever I showed in the video, I'll be showing it in this one. All right, so let's just get to price. But first off, you just have to go to the Thursday price review. So on Thursday price review, what was it? Okay, this is the Thursday candle. So we're at this other block the other day. We had price come back into return on this day, which was the on Wednesday. So on Thursday, we had this other block right here. And we're looking to see price like close above the other block, showing willingness of going higher into this zone. Because I remember, if you guys remember, I did a video on price forecast, expecting price to reach this zone. But because of this order block, price failed to close above 50% of this order block as I marked out. And we can see price wasn't able to close above it, and then it was rejecting. We see one here, we see two here, and the rest started going lower. So this was giving me indication that price is bearish. So went down to the 1 hour, and this is when I saw the confirmation of price going down. So you can see here we see a shift in market structure once price hits the order block, and then we see an expansion, a clean expansion, showing the willingness of price going down. So right here you can see a rejection from the order block going down. So when I saw this expansion lower, I was just checking on your USD, which had, as you can see, we also had an expansion higher. And then I was gonna take the trade just like this, but because of the news event that was going to happen at 8:30 actually, I wasn't willing to hold the trade till the news event or through the news event, because price could do anything. I don't trade news at all, and I don't like trading news because I've been burnt by the news also. So that's why I stay away from news, and I make sure I get out of the trade 5 minutes before the news, or probably 3 minutes before the news. So on this day, I was gonna just hold it like this and take the trades at this area, but I didn't. I had to refine. I refined it on the 15 minutes, and 15 minutes is my lowest. 15 minutes is my lowest time frame, and I actually don't trade it that much. Most of the time, I'm taking my entries at the 1 hour, and 15 minutes is just my lowest time frame that I rarely go to. So over here, I refined it and I marked out the OTE, and marking it from the high to the low or the low to the high of this price range we see here. This price range, we're in the OTE, and looking at this, the OTE, what do we have here? We do have a fair value gap right in the OTE. This aligns the OTE, and I was thinking price might reach here. If it doesn't reach, no problem. So I saw this area and I marked this out, and I took the trade right in this fair value gap, going to the high, giving me a 2.1 R for the trade. So I was able to get out around, I think, 8:15 before 8:30 news event. So this one was a good trade, and yeah. So for the forecast, let me just open this part out. So yeah. So for the forecast, before we are looking for trades, we are looking for price to actually go to this level. The other block, the fair value gap and the volume imbalance right here. Instead, price broke through our levels. Price broke through this volume imbalance, the fair value gap, and the other block, and price has closed below 50% of the other block, showing us a willingness of downside. And now we do see price failing to close below this. So now I don't know what price is going to do. So I'm thinking, I really think price is going to be bearish and is going for these lows. This is why I think for long term, I don't know if price is going to go there now, but I think these are the lows that price is going to go for. And when we go to the 4 hour, we do see this expansion lower and price reacting to this level and this other block right here. So this is showing that price might go to this level to balance price before going lower, attacking this area. So I think price might reach for this other block before reaching for the downside. So now we just want to see what price is going to do. Now I'm going to wait and see what price is going to do afterwards. There's no sign in price of going up or down now, because this is what we see. I do see this other block. I'm looking to see if price is going to expand out of this range. And because price closed above 50% of this fair value gap, I'm thinking price is going to reach for these levels now. I think price is going to reach for this level and also reach for this level. So this might be an area that our price will go for, because this fair value gaps have been closed in, and there's this fair value gap to go to. So price might reject from this area and go to the upside. And I don't think I'll participate in this trade, because this trade has a lot of risk, and I'm not willing to take this kind of risk. Is it like this? Let me check on here. So go to the 1 hour. Alright, so we do have something similar here, which is the Zelda block. I want to see, I don't know what the stop loss is going, yeah, 30. So I'm so not going to participate. If maybe the price comes to this level, I might participate. I don't really know, it's still huge. I like to take like 15 pips trades. Okay, to this level, maybe I would, because it's like 1.9. But let's see what price gives us. I would like to see a confirmation on probably like the 15 minutes time frame before I actually take advantage of this trade. So yeah, that'll be all for today, and catch you guys tomorrow. And if you guys enjoy the content and you love the forecast and recaps, let me know. So enjoy and have a good trading day, guys.